Our first stop as part of MILES, a motorcycle and immersion in local entrepreneurship program, was at Channapatna's toy factory, which is around 70 kilometers from IMB campus. Here we visited Bharat Arts and Crafts, where we met the proprietor and some of the employees, some of whom are like 4th and 5th generation artisans working here. The toys are manufactured using aloe vera or ivory wood, which is found abundantly in this area. They use natural colors that come out of vegetables or turmeric. The artisans use lacquer, which is a natural resin, and then provide finishing touch using their art forms. Because of the heritage and the local community that builds on these artisan products, these toys are also provided with GI tags, which provide them a unique identity. In addition to the rich heritage, these toys are also environment friendly and safe for the kids. Having these toy manufacturing centers in these communities provide them with a livelihood. They also employ women, which provides them with a source of income and respect in the society. Some of the challenges they have been facing recently is difficulty in sourcing ivory wood, because of which they have also started considering plywood and rubber wood. The main competition that they face is from the Chinese manufacturers who flood the market with toys of inferior quality. It could be in terms of materials used like plastic, and in some cases even replica of their designs. Though this model did not look scalable, the aesthetics and the smooth finish was commendable. Today, these toys are procured, sourced and marketed by international brands or intermediaries at exorbitant high markups. At the same time, this toy factory itself had a really small store in an obscure street. So even moving to a more prominent location could boost up their retail sales. This is one of the visits where we felt there was a serious potential business opportunity for someone from the IMB cohort to engage in. These factories did not have an in-house design team per se. This is another area they could invest in if they decided to launch an in-house brand. Corporate endorsement, digital marketing and advocacy through government policies can go a long way in sustaining this traditional art form and uplifting the community.